So this is our museum.
Oh, that's why. That's a very unique style.
Yeah. This is a typical Bedayu style of design. You see, I'm a Bedayu myself.
Oh,
I'm a Lendaya. So this is my culture, part of my culture. This house is actually, we call it Baruk. B-A-R-U-K. Baruk. So this Baruk is actually for the Bedayu to have a meeting. In real life, it is all made of wood, but this is of course a modern Baruk. Baruk are usually round, and it is actually a place for the Bedayu to have meetings among themselves in the village. The real Baruk are actually made of wood, no nails, no modern equipment.
Only wood?
Only woods, not even nails. This is modern Baruk, okay?
Okay.
So it belongs to the Bedayu community. Sama Jaya Forest Park is the first urban park provide facilities like this. This is actually facilities for the handicapped.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a very friendly facilities.
Very considerate facilities.
Yeah. Okay. We are not handicapped. We might use this. Okay, look at this wood. These are all billion words. Billion words, which is also the hardest wood in the world. In the olden days, the British called it the iron wood of Borneo. It is only found in Borneo, no other parts.
So that's the material that was made by building the Baruk?
Yeah, some of it, of course, some of it. But billions nowadays are very rare and very difficult to find. This billion tree is very slow timber growing trees in the world. Very, very slow. And it is also very lasting. The more you put soak in the water, underneath the water, or underneath the mud, the stronger it is.
But where can we find this kind of tree?
In Borneo, we have it in a national park. That's why national park are protected because we conserve all the trees there. But not only the trees, we also conserve the animal. Okay?
Okay. It's close already.
Okay. This is the biology museum. Now, this is the mushrooms that are found in Sarawak. All these are locally found. There's no such thing as import from overseas, except this one. This is also a mushroom, but this is actually a product from China. Now, Chinese are believed to have a very good, uses of mushroom. So this is all the local mushroom that are found in Sarawak, and this section is actually the poisonous mushroom that is not edible, and this is the mushroom that can be eaten. Okay. For example, this mushroom. If you consume it, it says here. Can you read it?
When ingested, the patient breaks into hysterical laughter.
Yeah, you will probably laugh. And I think this is the one that, if you have a friend who is very sad, then this is the mushroom that he should eat. We set up this biology museum is actually, we have some dried leaf and some wild animals around so that it is naturally look like a forest where you can see this is the bark of a tree, this is climbers or creepers. Now this is actually the seed of the billion. Look at the seed of billion. It is believed that if you put that seeds on the ground, that seeds alone, it takes about 6 months just to germinate. 6 months to germinate, it is believed. Yep. So this is actually a billion seed. The hardest word in Borneo. Now over here we portray some of the rotan. Various species of rotan. Now I used to have one of that when I was in school.
It looks like something that my mom hit me when I was a kid.
Yep. Various species of insects that are also found in Sarawak. Besides insects, we have the ants collection, which is very, I believe, it's a very tedious work.
Yeah, it must be a very difficult work to preserve all these insects.
Preserve it very well until today. Now over here, we portray the forest type of Sarawak. How many types of forests that are found in Sarawak? We have one, mountain. Mountain is the up level. Second one is the limestone hill forest, mixed rooftop forest, heath forest, peat swamp forest, mangrove forest, and the beech forest. And of course, the beech forest is down there. One, this is the mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are usually wet and muddy. You can see the difference of the peach and mangrove forest. Peat, they usually have thick dried leaf. And the heath forest, this is where this part is. The heath forest or the Krangas forest. Krangas forest, the Krangas words means the soil is very infertile. It's not good for growing paddy, and Krangas is a word from the Iban community. Okay. Now mixed eucalyptus forest, where this is the important forest in Borneo, in Sarawak, where good and big long timbers are found. These limestone hill forests are usually cut. You can see the stone and forest up. Mountain forests are the up top of the mountains, which are cooling, and you can see type of forest is usually it's like a western forest because it's cooling.